Hi everybody, I'm a developer of BonyFace and now you will see an extended tool of BonyFace 3.0, the Poses tool. Let's go. I'll start from scratch. This is a completely new window. Top part of the window is the layers. For now I leave layers as it is, so all manipulations will be in the base layer. I pick a folder for poses. You may ask me, where is the eyes? Well, in this model, eyes have a double geometry, so to render the eyes, I have to check this. I create some poses anyway, and now I have to select eyes geometry and save the pose. This is it. Eyes are okay. Let's continue creating some poses. In BonyFace 3.0 you can rotate lip direct controls and save this rotation in the pose. To apply the pose, I'll just double click on pose name in the list. Well, I have to create more poses. For example, I need actually around 8 poses to test grimace tool. Okay, we'll see. Actually, I can create some poses with selector window. For example, okay, now I have a few poses, and may play with them. For example, grimace mixer. This is it. Actually, I can hide all stuff, and now my viewport performance increase it. This is looking really nice. Okay, this is the grimace. This is actually mixer. I have to select pose 5. You will see it changes regarding current selected pose. Well, you can mix reset pose with a pose in this it's reset. Hope you will enjoy this. Oops. Okay. This is mix tool. And for example, I can save some animation, but first of all I have to animate. Let's create some animation. This grimace, for example. Oh, I didn't save, so I have to pick every pose, so I just use mixer tool. So okay, now to save animation I just have to press this button. Okay, new animation, and set the length. Okay, now I have to wait until BonyFace creates images for animation. Now you can play it here, and now I'm going to show you some layer stuff. For example, I delete. Так, I have to select all controls. No animation. Okay. I create a new layer. I can create layer for all controls and for selected. For example, in this animation we have eyes and mouse animated. So I can create only mouse. I can create a layer only for mouse controls. Normal layer for mouse. Mouse. And apply this animation back. As you see here, no animation at all. So just double click to apply. It starts from current slider time, so now we have animation from 0 to 50. Now I have to wait until max unfreezes. Come on. Okay. So this is it. For example, I can apply that animation actually from frame 60 the same way. It creates animation control by control, so we have to wait until it will be done. That's all. So this is the mouse layer. What I have to do, I can just switch to 0 and restore. Here I have controls for the mouse layer. I can change the weight for this layer, and for example I can add the animation for eyes. You see? I have to delete this case only for eyes. So this is it. What else? You may create any number of layers and change the weight of any control at any time. For example, actually you can do like this. Decrease or increase the weights. Or set all weights to a single number. any value as you want. This is, I select controls with 0 weights, so there is no here. List shows only controls with weight more than 0. Actually, other stuff works like in the selector window. This is it. I can remove the eyes from the layer. I have to select eyes and then remove. This is it. And for example, now we will see no eyes animation. This is it. And also I have some buttons to select fast some controls. Browse, for example. Oh, actually, let's create some layer for browse. Okay. Browse. No case here. Okay. Now well, actually I have to select only browse soft. Like this way. So we have two layers, mouse and browse. Now I can collapse them to a single layer. This is it. Well, in the next video I'll show you some kind of layers such as auto blink, mockup and lip sync. Goodbye.